Hello, this is G. Welcome to my ride. It's more late night, downtown Brighton. It's approximately 1 a.m., maybe 2. But the reasons why getting an e-bike probably changed the rest or the trajectory of my life. Before I got this e-bike, I was quite, I'm not going to say a-hole, but I was quite intense. Took a lot of things too personally. I worked, I think, way too hard. And when you work too hard and you're a hard worker, you take work very seriously. But when you take work very seriously, it's like all the relationships in your life kind of suffer. Because they're kind of self-centered. Like, I'm going to think what I'm going to think. I'm going to be who I want to be without much compromise, or it's critical compromise. But when I got the bike, it made me be real critical about how critical I was